Yo, what's up everybody? Here's your friend Toto088, and this is maybe not so quick video about my new computer. Maybe some of you saw the video I recorded earlier about this little piece of crap that I have here, the InWin Dragon Raider. Well, this is just the box of the PC case. But like I said, there was a whole system built in, and well, after heavy customization, well, here it is. Finally, I was able to do all the proper adjustments to have all the PC closed, because I had to do a lot of arrangement, cable management, and this little thing you see here. Yeah, well, maybe you can see that clearly. Let me see if I can activate the flash. No, I can't. Well, maybe you'll see it pretty soon when I turn the PC on. The side panel of the computer has a really, I mean it, really big fan. Let me see if I can get it here in the no, well, here it is. It actually takes up a huge part of the side panel, but because I have a pretty particular CPU cooler, the Cooler Master B6 GT, it's a very large fan. The heatsink is extremely huge, and the side panel fan, the side panel couldn't fit because of the size of the CPU cooler. So what I had to do was to take the fan, take it out, and plug it outside of the case. Yeah, it's a pretty Mexican move, like we say. But it actually worked. Now the PC looks a little bit more impressive, I have to say, because like I said, maybe you can have a better look at it, and it looks pretty impressive now. The holy dirty finger. I'm gonna turn this on, and yeah, baby, there you can look at the fan. As you can see, it's plugged outside of the case, like I said. And now let's take a look at the rest of the system. Iniciando Windows. Yeah, it's Windows 7 in Spanish. Not too proud of that, but okay. And now let's move on to the other parts of the computer. Well, the CPU is the Core i7 2600K. It's a monster, I have to say. The little I've used it in heavyweight games, man, that thing's a monster. Now I'm planning to get a new video card to work better with the CPU. Now it turns out that the freaking video card is bottlenecking it, but it's actually a very cool card, the GTX 470 from EVGA. And man, some people say that the 470, it's a hot card. It runs, and yeah, in some way it's true. That card runs really hot, but the main issue with that card is that the fan control has some sort of problem. When it's running at full power, the fan doesn't goes up over, I think, 70 or 80%, and when it's idling, it's at 40%. That's very low. So no wonder why the card is at 70 degrees, because the fan is running really low. But if you, with EVGA precision, if you turn the fan to 60%, which is the default, I think, it will have no problems at all. You manually control the fan, you will have no problems at all keeping the GPU cool. And well, if you plus this humongous fan, the problems are gonna be even lesser. So well, for the monitor, it's a BenQ, the G2220 HD. It's 21.5 inches, full HD. It's a very good looking monitor, and the image quality, well, I have to say it's really good. It's not a really bad quality at all, and not that expensive. Well, for the keyboard, I have a Sidewinder, Microsoft Sidewinder. I think it's the X5. Yeah, I think it's the X5. And for the mouse, it's a very simple one. It's Microsoft Comfort 6000. And I used to have the Sidewinder X6, and I was really happy with that mouse, but somehow it malfunctioned and I have to change it. So Microsoft sent me this one. It's a really comfortable mouse, Blue-Track technology, and the icing on the cake is this. Well, I tried to get this. Oh, wow, damn it! One of the problems of having the fan outside. Ah, no, don't do it! Don't do it! Crap. Well, this is the Razer Coliathus. It's ridiculous. But this is one of the hard drive mounts that are included in the in-wing Dragon Raider. So if you know the size of these mounts, you can have a look more or less at the size of this. Oh, give me a second. Try to get this thing because it's really dark, so I can't really get a good picture of it. Damn it! There we go. Woohoo! Oh, that happens all day. Look, it's a little bit dirty now, but yeah, my big ass fits in that sofa, if you want to call it like that. And well, let's see. Here's the mount. Take a look at that. You can fit 2 of those mounts in that monster, and you still have a lot of space to work. Here's another little thing to compare it. That's an iPhone, an iPod Touch, I mean, and yeah, you can see the size of that. So, it's really comfortable. It's the Speed Edition. I think it's the Speed Edition, and it works really well with the Razer, with the Comfort 6000. And well, now that I have my computer plugged in nicely. Oh, by the way, this is a small adaptation I have to do. That's a little hard drive. It's an IDE, so the motherboard I have doesn't have any ID port, because well, it's very old and almost no one uses that. But this little hard drive that I use for storage, it's well, very old, but well, I had it for free. So what can I say about that? And yeah, this little contraption I had to do was to have the hard drive mounted without the need of having all the stuff out of the case, which is really dangerous. I already lost one hard drive because of that, and it was this one. It's a 1 TB hard drive, and about a year ago I accidentally dropped it. It fell out of my computer, and I still shed manly tears for that. A lot of info that went to the trash that day. And well, oh, by the way, if you have a Steam account, feel free to look out for me. Well, you can find me as Mr. Jarrati. Here it is. Yep, that's me. Or you can find me at well, Toto0088. But well, it's easier to find me as Mr. Jarrati. Well, I hope you liked the video. I was sure that it wasn't gonna be a short one, but I hope you're happy of knowing what kind of things are happening around here. By the way, greetings to you again, Josh. And well, I don't have thousands of fans like you. I mean the fans in the PC. But well, I have my own stuff now, so I'm pretty happy about it. So, well, I'll see you guys later, and peace.